thought you were mine.
Hey guys, what's up? It is me, GamerTag, for another video, and in this one we're going to be talking about Unity and the new update that came out. I don't know when, but I know it came out a few days ago, I think. I forget when it came out, but I want to talk about one of the features there in the new Unity update, and that is that you are able to do a multiplayer server, like multiplayer thingy in Unity. And if you don't know what Unity is, it's basically a game like Minecraft where basically you're building blocks, and that's how you build the game and stuff. So yeah. What you do, if you want to start it off, you start off your project. You either have it completed like I do, or you don't. You're done with the project and you want to make it you want to have a online. You want to put it online now. And to do that in Unity, it's pretty easy now. I like that they're doing it. And so what you do when you get in, you're either on this page or on this page. And if you're on the service page, well, click over the service page. And if you're on this page, you click on multiplayer, and there will be this blue button right here. You click on that button, and what it will do is it will open up to this page. The thing is, it will open up on whatever browser, use your home browser. For Windows 10 and most computers, it is Explorer, or Microsoft Edge, I mean. But I have it opened up on Google Chrome. After it opens up, you basically have a sign-in thing here. It should automatically save your email and password. If you're doing this on your computer, you hit sign in. Just load up to the next page here. Which technically the next page will be. This is not working. Well, hold on. Sorry guys, this is not professionalism. Alright, and we're back. Sorry about that little cut there. This is weird because what's supposed to happen is you're supposed to have a terms and service page that comes up after you click on the button. And I already did. Should have saved it. My bad. But basically, there's some main key points in it that you should look at. The main points at the bottom, and some of the middle part, and some of the beginning part. But mostly, what terms and services is basically follow the rules, stand on the ruling, the guidelines, the ruling of Unity. If you're going to use a third-party asset or program, make sure you give credit to those people who made that asset with basically anything. After that, you go to the bottom of the terms and services, you click OK, and it goes to this page, which is how max players per room. I don't know what that means, max players per room. I think that means max players in your game. And if you don't, and if you want to get into this, the multiplayer part of the new Unity. New Unity. Sorry, I had a hiccup there. Basically, you should do research on what this means and stuff like that, like I'm doing. And I also recommend you, if you're gonna make a game, to first make a single player one. Do what I'm doing and test the waters. And basically, 3 key points I can give you is do research, start off simple, like I'm doing, because I have a lot of big ideas, but I'm starting off simple with a small single player zombies or zombie-like survival game. Start off small. And the third key point I can give is any big idea you have, go to Google Docs and write it all down. That's what I do with all my projects that I have, because I have many big projects and small projects. And what I do is I write everything down in here. This saves it online. You have it. It's there. It's amazing. It's the best thing anyone can do if you're making a game. Because a lot of times, what I've noticed is sorry, I said that twice. A lot of ideas that I have that I have for one game, I can use those ideas in another game in a different way, and so this is a good way to write it down. Another thing is the fourth key point is the reason why the second reason why I write this down is because, as you see here, there's a share button. And right now, what I do is a few of my projects I have, I'm sharing them with my friend Sam, meaning that he basically can go in here and edit all this stuff he wants to. And I definitely do recommend that, because that gets it so that your friends can help you, give you, get a second, basically a second look at it, or second, I forgot the word on top of my head, it annoys me. Second opinion, there you go. Second opinion on whatever your idea is for your game, whether it be, I don't know, having a crafting system, having an objective, having this, that, or whatever. It's good to have a second opinion, and this is a good way to do it because you can have your friend talk with him in a call, whatever, on Discord or Skype or whatever, and he can come in here anytime and put his ideas in. It's also a good way if you want to do a collab thing with a friend and you want to have kind of like a script going. This is a good way to do it because it gets saved online. You both can edit it, you both can see it, and it's saved at, and then also any change you do automatically gets saved, and that's key, that's big, having everything saved then and there. So yeah, that's basically it for this chat video thingy. I had to do this video twice because the first time I messed up, and that's kind of why the terms of service page isn't here, because at the first try of this, it was there, and now it's not. Yeah, my key points for, like I said, for this video is research, lots and lots of research before you start something. My first key point, starts small. My second key point is to do research before you start anything big. My third is to write down all your notes on Google Docs, and then my fourth is to get a second opinion on them. This is the best way to do it, is by using Google Docs, because, like I said, your friend or basically friend can not only give you a second opinion, but can also change stuff change it at their own leisure. And I had a fourth bullet point thing I wanted to say, but I forgot what it was. It had to do with having a second opinion. But again, I forget it. Sorry about that. But basically, yeah, those are the 4 key points I would say. Start small, do research, get a second opinion, and write it all down. Write it all down. Make sure it's all on Google Docs. Make sure it's all there. Basically, kind of rambling up at the ending here. Sorry about this. But yeah, that was the 5th key point. Is to, like I said, to start small. I would definitely say to start small. Any project or any game you're gonna make sure it's free. Like this game I'm making, it's gonna be free. The 6th key point I want to make is that if you don't find everything on the Unity store, meaning the asset store where you get most of the objects in the game in Unity, like for example, all of this you see here, I got from the Unity asset store. The textures, the little black stuff, I actually got off of Google. There's a way in Unity to edit your textures from your desktop into the engine, and so basically, basically my 6th key point is that that I would be leaving a link to a website that I'm going to be using to get a lot of assets. But the one thing I will say is, if you're going to use other assets out of the Unity store, make sure you give credit in a credit section or in a description or something like that of the game. Make sure you just give people credit. Basically, just say their Unity username or whatever, just to give them credit, and such. And that's it. I noticed with the multiplayer terms of service thing, it said something about basically one of the things, the rules thing is to give credit, or else, that's kind of not nice to do. But yeah, I will leave a link to the website I really used to get a lot of assets from. I'm mainly for this first game going to stick to Unity, but I still leave my websites down there because it's good to share with people. But yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to comment, like, comment, subscribe. If you want, I can do more tutorials like videos like this. Um, just doing Unity stuff, and basically, if you guys want that, then this is a good time to say it, because this is a small game I'm making, and I can do a lot of kind of a lot of tutorials on this and how to make a basic game. Like I said before, start off small, then get bigger as you go. But yeah, anyways, guys, you guys, next one. Peace out.